Okay na. Kahoy. Dami. Kakatan. Pride Month, ha? Yes, yes. The red room to the ass, guys. Welcome to Discoteca. Ito po. Alaga.
Ay, alaga!
Hanap ng renewal in shape. And you can come every namin si Super Starlet, isa dun sa mga performers. Ang purpose talaga ng charity arm is to give ayuda to queer in LGBTQ happens in provinces like Leyte, Samar, Bicol. So we did this so that we could respond to those areas. So we were able to raise 70,000 pesos. Grabe!
Sabi ang bigla, mukha ka kapangitan.